Ripple CEO thinks so. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of cryptocurrency is at it again. The buzz is electric and the stakes are higher than ever. This time, it's Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse making waves with a bold prediction. Bitcoin could hit a whopping $200,000. Yes, you heard that right. $200,000 for a single Bitcoin. Imagine the possibilities and the ripple effects across the financial world. Now, before you dismiss this as the ramblings of a tech CEO, Garlinghouse has some reasoning behind his optimism. He's not just throwing numbers around. He points to the shifting sands of regulation, particularly in the United States. The regulatory landscape is evolving, and fast. According to Garlinghouse, a more favorable regulatory environment is on the horizon, and that could be a game changer for Bitcoin. It's all about creating the right conditions. A clearer regulatory landscape, he argues, could be the key to unlocking Bitcoin's true potential. It's like opening the floodgates. It would make investors more comfortable, businesses more confident, and pave the way for wider adoption. The domino effect could be monumental, and wider adoption, my friends, is the magic ingredient for a price surge. The more people use it, the higher the demand and the higher the price. So, is Garlinghouse onto something, or is this just another case of wishful thinking in the volatile world of crypto? The debate is on. Let's dive deeper and see what other big names in the industry are saying. Stay tuned as we explore this fascinating prediction and its potential impact. Garlinghouse isn't the only one feeling bullish about Bitcoin's future. Many influential figures in the cryptocurrency world are sharing their optimistic views. Changpeng Zhao, the CEO of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has an even bolder prediction. He envisions a future where Bitcoin's value skyrockets. He believes Bitcoin will eventually reach a staggering $1 million per coin. This prediction has certainly caught the attention of many in the financial world. Yes, you read that correctly, $1 million. Such a figure seems almost unimaginable, yet Zhao stands firm in his belief. Then there's Michael Saylor, the Bitcoin-loving CEO of MicroStrategy, who's known for going all in on the cryptocurrency. His commitment to Bitcoin is unwavering. Saylor predicts Bitcoin will surge to $180,000 before experiencing a correction and settling around $140,000. This forecast is based on his extensive analysis. While not as high as the other predictions, it's still a significant leap from its current price. Such growth would represent a major milestone for Bitcoin. These are just a few examples of the growing chorus of voices singing Bitcoin's praises. The enthusiasm is palpable and widespread. From industry leaders to analysts, there's a palpable sense of optimism surrounding the original cryptocurrency. The belief in Bitcoin's potential is stronger than ever. But what's fueling this wave of bullish sentiment? The reasons are varied, but the confidence in Bitcoin's future remains a common thread. Two major factors are driving the positive outlook for Bitcoin: evolving regulations and increasing institutional interest. Let's break it down. For years, the lack of clear regulations surrounding cryptocurrencies has been a major hurdle to their mainstream adoption. Governments worldwide have been grappling with how to regulate this new asset class, creating uncertainty and hesitancy among investors. However, the tide seems to be turning. Countries like the United States are making strides towards establishing clearer regulatory frameworks for cryptocurrencies. This newfound clarity is like a breath of fresh air for institutional investors who have long been wary of dipping their toes into the crypto waters. And when institutional investors come knocking, they bring with them significant capital and legitimacy, further boosting Bitcoin's prospects. We're already witnessing major financial institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity offering Bitcoin-related services, signaling a shift in the financial landscape. This shift is not just about new services, it's about a broader acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. As more institutions get involved, the infrastructure supporting Bitcoin continues to improve, making it more accessible and secure for everyone. The combination of regulatory clarity and institutional interest is creating a more stable and promising future for Bitcoin. So, is it all sunshine and rainbows for Bitcoin? Well, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile. Prices can swing wildly, and past performance is never a guarantee of future returns. However, the convergence of positive regulatory developments and growing institutional interest is creating a compelling narrative for Bitcoin's future. It suggests that the world is finally starting to take Bitcoin seriously as a legitimate asset class. Of course, only time will tell if these bullish predictions will come to fruition. But one thing is clear: The future of Bitcoin is anything but boring. Join the conversation. What do you make of these bold predictions? Are you a Bitcoin believer, or are you still on the fence? We want to hear from you. Head over to the comments section and share your thoughts. Do you think Bitcoin will reach $200,000, $1 million, or even higher? Or do you think these predictions are overly optimistic? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. We'll keep you updated on the latest news, trends, and analysis.